Technology changes the world. AUX air conditioning constantly adopts new technologies to improve its functionality and comfortability. Similarly, the manufacturing method of air conditioning has been completely changed. In AUX, the manufacturing of air conditioning has entirely entered the era of intelligence. With the integration of digitalization, network, and intelligence, the assembly line makes the complicated manufacturing steps more precise and efficient. Intelligent equipment have been largely applied in procedures from sheet metal decoiling, evaporator, condenser, and electronic devices to injection molding, bronzing, and final assembly. The integrated automatic manufacturing has reduced manpower input and greatly enhanced producing efficiency and product quality. In addition to the application of smart production management, AUX has been dedicated to maximizing the efficiency of smart plant and further increasing plant capacity. Based on this, the total plant capacity is projected to achieve 90 million units in 2018. Additionally, Smart Plant is equipped with the most advanced technology and software and hardware devices, shortening the production cycle and helping to achieve comprehensive and scientific transport management. The process of manufacturing and operation can be monitored and managed by mobile app in real time. Intelligence can choose product quality. Our testing center is equipped with a national-level laboratory and can perform accurate detection, which guarantees that air conditioning remains in normal operation under varied working conditions. By intelligent and refined manufacturing, AUX has achieved an unprecedented production mode with high efficiency and low consumption. The delivery time has been shortened to 20 days from 45 days. Driven by this, AUX air conditioning has become a world-leading brand in quality. The development concept of Made in China, operated in the world, is bound to gain the trust of more customers. We believe that wise men shape the future.